Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to locate and how to remove a power supply on this Canon Pixma TS8020 printer and similar models. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. The power supply unit is located on the back of the printer where you connect your power supply cord. The power supply cord is connected directly into the power adapter, and that's where it's at. To remove it, it really is not that difficult. Make sure your printer is turned off and unplugged, and you're going to lift the printer and put it on its side. Why on its side and not upside down? We don't want to flip it over because of the ink. I actually would recommend removing ink from the printer before you put it on its side, just to avoid any leaks, especially if you have a continuous ink system installed in there. This is where the power supply is located, and all you need to do is just remove these clamps. It doesn't have any screws that hold the power supply. I'm going to show you with the screwdriver so you can see better. So you're going to pull this tab back and this one. I'm going to pull away from the power supply and kind of pull it out with the help of a screwdriver, and do the same thing on this side. Kind of push this away from the power supply and kind of pull the power supply out. At this point, we can just remove it from the printer. It is connected on this side. You would just kind of remove this tab right here, remove the spool, and then disconnect it right over here. Just like so. This is your power supply. You can actually see your part number without removing it. If you need to buy one or something, you have the part number. Usually it's this one, K30368 for this model. Sometimes there's going to be one on the side, just like here. It's going to be QM74921, which could be different. This is the important number right here, and make sure it's in your correct region. And this could also be considered a part number, QC54643. To put the new one in, you would just also first connect, or after you're done testing this one, put that in, slide this in, make sure it's not clamping any of the wires to avoid any damage. There we go, we have it in there. Now this will face the back of the printer, and you're just going to slide it in and snap it in, and it should just lock in those tabs right there. So that's how you replace a power supply. What you don't want to do is, if you have a continuous ink system installed into this printer, just slide the printer on the edge of the desk and remove the power supply from the bottom, from underneath, rather than removing the whole CISS system and having ink all over the place. And also definitely remove ink cartridges from the printer before you do that, if you're going to place it on the side like I just did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and good luck with your printer.